Introducing the Woodpecker Language Learning App. Easily dive into engaging content meant for native language speakers. Find thousands of videos in the language you're learning, with everything from educational lectures to local TV shows. Each video has native language subtitles. When you don't know a word, simply tap on it to see its meaning while your video pauses. The Woodpecker app was built for language learners, with tools to slow down the video, hear a phrase in the video again and again, or view all the words you've tapped on previously. Woodpecker puts everything you need within reach. There's no need to fumble with multiple apps while watching. You'll build and maintain your listening skills while enjoying content that interests you. Download the Woodpecker Language Learning app today and immerse easily in content from around the world.